Are you serious about learning to play the piano? Well, I have good news. You can be amazing at the piano, and it's not nearly as difficult to achieve as you might think. Here are 4 things that successful piano players do. Take these 4 steps and you will be on your way to greatness. Number 1, consistency. You don't have to practice 3 hours a day to become amazing at piano, but you do need to be consistent. If you only have time for shorter practices, get those practices in and make them count, because being consistent is what will make you better. Number 2, technique. The most amazing piano players in the world have impeccable technique. So make sure that you make time to practice your scales and your triads and your arpeggios so that you can set a solid foundation that will enable you to play anything that you want to play. Number 3, connect. I cannot stress how important it is to connect to a musical community. So whether it's joining a band, participating in an open mic or jam session, or simply making friends with other musicians, your musical community is super important to help inspire you, keep you accountable, and keep you motivated. And number 4, enjoy. If you want to play Bach, then you want to make sure that you're focusing on classical music. And if you want to play in a rock band, then you don't want to play classical music. You definitely want to focus on learning how to play chords and play by ears and bust out those sweet rock and roll riffs. So stay focused on learning the style of music that you want to play. What is your end goal? Keep sight of that and focus on learning the skills you need to achieve that goal. Have fun, and you will never want to stop practicing. So there are 4 things that most successful piano players do. Now, if you really are serious about taking your piano playing to the next level, join us at Pianote. We will help you do all of those things. You'll find perfectly structured lessons, a fantastic community to connect with, hundreds of lessons that cover all the topics to get you playing the music that you love as quickly as possible. Hope to see you there.